Wendy Ross joining us again with another First Alert weather forecast. And Wendy, I was saying earlier, kind of a quiet weekend.
It's been a very quiet weekend, but you'll be surprised. I'm going to show you.
I mean, I'm happy about that. Yeah,
I know, but when you
complaining.
did get rain, it felt like it was raining all over the world, and that's what people are going to say. Well, yeah, but where I was,
right?
It was pouring.
They say, how dare you?
And that's what we're seeing. But those showers taking place east of I-75, a few of them along the coastline. Not a whole lot of wet weather along the coast today. This is what's happening right now. You can see some of the clouds. Most of those clouds are over the northern part of the state, and then we also have some down to the south with just partly cloudy skies for our area, and we've just seen a burst of clouds just coming up on the scene in the last hour, primarily around Arcadia. So the showers are pretty well dotted across the southeast. We've got a cold front up here, and that frontal system is going to start to make its way down towards the state of Florida. It's moving across the southeast, but we have a high pressure ridge sitting on top of us right now, and that high pressure has been our fair weather friend for most of the weekend. But we are getting pockets of rain, and Arcadia has been beaten up throughout the evening and afternoon hours tonight, and so we're looking at those showers moving on to the north. Not so much here along the coastline. We're not looking at those showers coming on in, but look at the amounts of rain we've had over the last 2 days, and you'll see that way east of I-75 is where we have seen the heaviest amounts of rainfall. So anywhere from 2.5 inches down to about just a little over 2 inches to almost 3 inches to over 3 inches, and you can see that it was pockets of very heavy downpours taking place across the region. But as you move closer to the beaches, not so much. We hardly saw anything developing across the beaches for the day, and yesterday the same thing. And as far as tonight, we're going to be seeing the showers that are primarily now around the Arcadia area, moving on towards the north where they're expected to dissipate. And then tomorrow morning we start to see those showers coming on in very early in the morning, and they'll be with us until about maybe 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. We're expecting to see the showers developing, and then they'll move on towards the east, and that's the way things are going to be shaping up. So you can see no real rain chances until 2, and then during the overnight time period very low, but we start off the early morning with showers in the forecast. So today, because we had plenty of sunshine, we got up to a high of 91. 75 was the overnight low. Temperatures right now all around the state in the 70s and 80s. For us, you can see where 79 degrees in Wauchula near Arcadia, they've been getting some rains. Otherwise, most of our temperatures are in the 80s. And a last look at Beryl. This is the last advisory that's going to come out on Beryl. It's now been downgraded to a remnant low. It is going to stay away from the coastline. It's continuing to move off towards the east-northeast. 13 miles per hour now, 35 mile per hour winds, and here's the track that it's taking. And this system really isn't going to be doing much. We don't have to worry about it affecting land areas. It's really moving on out to the colder waters of the North Atlantic, so that's a good thing. For boaters tomorrow, winds start out of the south, and again, those morning thunderstorms possibly. Southwesterly winds during the afternoon hours, seas 1 to 2 feet with a light chop, and then we've got the possibility of our temperatures being that will happen. 88 degrees. It's just the possible thunderstorm that we may get in the morning hours. And this is what it's going to be like for the rest of the week. 20% chance. So the quiet that we experienced over the weekend continues on Monday. And then after that, it gets back to normal really fast. And that's Tuesday through Friday. We're expecting 40 to 50% chances of rain. Temperatures right around 90 degrees. And then a quiet weekend after that. Adam?